the sequence of things are are in the same place. You know what I'm saying? One sequence don't have to wait for the other to finish. They all happen all at the same time. You know what I'm saying? Just like when you're looking at Earth from a distance, light years distance, it looked like it may appear that all people came on this planet at the same time. It's just at the same time, it looked like from a distance, society just came all at once. You know what I'm saying? It's because of the space. We're not seeing the dripping of society. We ain't seeing the details of who came first. Black people came first, then white people. A lot of people, I notice a lot of people that think Eurocentric think that all people came at the same time. You know what I'm saying? Or they say, okay, yeah, man. Since we didn't let them Europeans in our mystery school, we deserve to be oppressed and shit. I mean, I hear some comedic people saying that shit, and some supposedly conscious people saying that shit. Hey, if we wasn't in slavery, you know what I'm saying, we should let all the Europeans in our mystery system. That's why this trauma is happening to us. Well, you know, all people is alike. We can't be alike, because if we was all equal, we should have been born all at the same time. You know what I'm saying? Just like the law of identity. If A equals A is 1A. You know what I'm saying? It's not no two separate but same parallel dimension type of shit. You know what I'm saying? Some sci-fi shit. It ain't like that. You know what I'm saying? So when you look at so all these people that think we all equal, black people is equal to everybody else and shit like that, must be seeing our situation light years away. You know what I'm saying? From a distance. You know what I'm saying? Because when you look at things from a distance, everything look like it came on the planet all at the same time. You know what I'm saying? From light years away, it may appear that Africa and America was connected. You know, the landmass was connected and separate all at the same time. You know what I'm saying? Because each second might appear to be 200,000 years, for instance. You know what I'm saying? And that's what I'm talking about. The relationship between space and time. The more space, the less time, or the faster things that happen. Just like the rushing water. You know what I'm saying? The rushing water. That's like looking at our society at a distance. We think all drips. We look at each drip as a stream of water. You know what I'm saying? So it looked like time passing real quick. Boom, boom, boom. But when you look at the drip of water, you're seeing that which drip came first and which drip came second. So time is longer, but the space is shorter. That means in order for you to see progress, you gotta, just like Huey P. Newton used to say, you gotta put your ears on the train tracks and just hear the people. You know what I'm saying? That's coming. You know, you gotta go close to your people in order for you to change it. You can't look light years away. Because when you do that, everything appears to happen all at the same time, so you don't know which one is the bad guy and which one is the good guy, because you see all of it as one entity. You know what I'm saying? That's probably, I think, them people on other planets, if they are watching us, they probably couldn't really tell which one is bad and which one is good at a distance. You know what I'm saying? But they probably interact when they get closer to us. They probably interact with us in a different manner, because now they're seeing the details of which drip came first and which drip came second instead of a rush of water. You can't count no drips on a rush of water. Just like you can't really know how society moved from a light years away. You know what I'm saying? Everything looked like it came on the planet first. Like you look at our planet, hundreds of light years away, looking at our process. The growth of Africans and all other people are at the same time. It look like that's the illusion it's going to give you. You know what I'm saying? But when you be with the people, when you be there, you see each drip. You know, African. The first drip was African. You know what I'm saying? The second drip was another person of color. All the way to the last drop of water is the white people. You know what I'm saying? But when you see the rush of water, like, be like, damn, which one, you know what I'm saying? Which one is first and which one you won't get it, you know what I'm saying? That's like looking at cells. You can't look at the process on a cellular level from a distance. And the microscope help you get closer to the cell level so you can know which 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 position of the cell happened first in order for the other positions of this biological cell to happen too. You know what I'm saying? You start seeing sequences. You start seeing, and when you see the sequence like that, you start getting the conception, the reflection of biological time. You know what I'm saying? Time ain't out there. Time is not out here. This is not time. This is not space. You got biological space and you got biological time. Biological space, time and space in a biological manner. You know what I'm saying? Time and space act differently in as a quality of biological matter or organic matter versus, you know, like a rock. You know what I'm saying? Their time act differently. You know what I'm saying? That's why you never see rocks changing too much. You know what I'm saying? Because all they process is happening one at a time, and each segment of A to Z is a long period of time. You see how long it takes a rock to deform. You know what I'm saying? So they sequence is long. Our sequence, we got a shorter wavelength. We got a higher frequency. So when you have a higher frequency, a lot of different processes are happening all at the same time, like a rush of water. You know what I'm saying? Instead of a drip in which the rock represent. You know. Time and space, I don't think time and space is out here. It's inside. And it's represented by the Kimball formula, which is 0 equal 1. Or time equal space, space equal time. Which is the generator or the Kimball physical formula of acceleration